Alright, so welcome to another unboxing, guys, and today we have a TWS. So this is actually the Pamu Quiet Mini, and really interesting because this is around $70, but you have ANC and you have also that AirPods Pro-esque kind of design with that in-ear kind of design. So yeah, a lot of things going for it, especially for the price range, but let's unbox this thing. Big thanks to Pamu themselves for sending this over. Links down below for their shop. It says Pamu Quiet Mini, and you also get that kind of portrait of that AirPods-esque kind of design. So definitely, the inspiration is uncanny. You have active noise cancellation. So definitely for the price range, it's really nice that you have ANC. Really, really useful. And it also says independent dual active noise reduction system, low latency, 10mm driver, titanium composite speaker, binaural simultaneous interpretation, IPX4 waterproof, and also Bluetooth 5.2. So in terms of specs, I'm not seeing aptX support in these. So you might need to unbox it further. So this is going to be our unboxing experience. So this is what you're going to get. And actually from the first impressions, the white color in these is really nice. It has that kind of shimmer, it has that kind of gloss to it. So it's not your usual white kind of finish, which is nice. So of course, yes, full review will be in the ZPult channel. This will be just your unboxing experience and first impressions, because I do want to use this more. On Pamu, you're getting a case, which is nice. You're getting some USB-C. You're getting additional tips also, and you're getting that silicone tips as well. In the hand, it does feel good in the hand. It does feel solid in the hand, but let's take a look at that. So as you guys can see, this is what I was mentioning, guys. So in terms of the finish, it's not the usual white kind of finish. It has that kind of pearl finish to it, and also it feels nice in the hand. It doesn't feel cheap. There's some weight to it. You're getting your USB-C and not a lot in the box. It says actually capacity 500 milliampere, so definitely not the biggest that I have seen. So this is what you are getting. All right, again, that kind of looks more of a pearl kind of white. It's not your usual kind of white, which is definitely nice to see. But the lower side is pretty good. And this is the TWS itself. And you are, again, getting that pearl white kind of finish. Also, the lobes itself feels nice in the hand. It has some weight to it as well. And the tips itself feels soft. So this might be comfortable to wear on the ear. Say, in terms of the build quality, I'm liking this. Alright, so this is what it's gonna look like on the ear. So definitely from afar, it's kind of like your AirPods as kind of look. So actually looks good. Definitely if you're into that kind of design. So definitely that white accent is nice on the ear. So stability is actually just okay in these. Not the best that I've listened to. In terms of comfort, these are actually very comfortable to listen to. And actually now wearing the ANC, it's definitely working fine. So I can still hear my voice, so it's definitely an active ANC, but it blocks out most of the noise. So let's have a first listen. Alright, so firstly, the bass here is definitely a little bit more elevated in the mix. Definitely substantial in the mix. So in terms of tuning, it's more of a U type of shape with some bass elevation. Yeah, definitely the bass is boomy and present in the mix as well. It's more in the boomy side. So like for example, in Fall Into the Light, Dream Theater, the bass is really prominent in the mix and quite warm as well. So this more for a fun kind of listen. And actually the highs are pretty extended on top, not the most extended that I've heard. But definitely this doesn't sound muffled, which is nice. It has enough clarity at the top to resolve even some guitar tracks. And actually yes, the bass is more in the boomy side, adds some warmth and smoothness to the overall sound. And actually the top cleans up a bit. It's not the most smooth top that I've listened to. Let's try a track with vocals. Maybe Michael Jackson Beat It. Alright, so the vocal positioning is definitely more reset in the mix. This is more of a U type of shape on the ear. The vocals are not bad, but definitely they're more thinner than what I would like. So this is not something to use for vocal heads. This does remind me a lot of the AirPods Pro, to be honest, like in terms of the overall sound. But maybe for this one, if I remember it correctly, this is more bass elevated. But definitely, this won't be for those who doesn't like bass, because the bass is pretty prominent in the mix. And what I really like about this is it's not that aggressive to listen to. So you can listen to this for a long listening session. Especially for a Dream Theater, I would want to listen to some parts of the spectrum. And the bass is maybe too prominent in the mix for this track. Also for the Pamu Quiet Mini ANC. So yeah, definitely this is tuned for more of a fun bassy type of listen. So the bass is definitely prominent in the mix. I would say, for an ANC, this is one of the most bassy that I've heard. for an ANC. If you're an audiophile, you might find this to be too much bass for you. For some people, especially if you like, more balanced kind of sound, you might find this to be too much bass because there's some, mid-bass bleed in this. But definitely if you're a fan of bass, if you listen to a lot of hip-hop, pop tracks, this will be fun to listen to because definitely yes, the bass is really prominent in the mix. And for $79, you're getting, ANC. You're getting a, pretty okay kind of design, the AirPods S kind of design. It holds in your ear nicely, and also that sound, that's something that, bass heads will like. But yeah, I think for the asking price, it's a compelling option in that price range. So that's my unboxing of the Pamu Quiet Mini. So first, a Pamu that I unboxed here in this channel, and yeah, really cool option in that kind of price range. Of course, if you learned something, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future for more unboxings, tech unboxings, and really fun unboxings here. Subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.